Area 51, located in Nevada desert, has long been a source of fascination and speculation. For decades, it has been shrouded in secrecy and surrounded by conspiracy theories. UFO sightings, experiments on extraterrestrial objects, alien presence, or the research about super-secret biological weapons, all these rumors have constantly been circulating around the globe, mostly came from movies, TV shows, and numerous books. In this episode, we will try to declassify the top 5 most common mysteries or misconceptions of Area 51.
Nevada officials are bracing for an invasion at Area 51.
Area 51's connection to government black projects.
Area 51.
Area 51.
For 6 decades, it operated in total secrecy. Even the government denied its existence.
The military base 80 miles from Las Vegas has become infamous for conspiracy theories about little green men.
Misconception number 5. It's a secret government facility for studying extraterrestrial life and UFOs. Many people believe that the US government has been hiding evidence of UFO sightings or even extraterrestrial life in this area. This belief has been fueled by numerous books, movies, and TV shows that depict Area 51 as a hub for alien activity. However, there is no evidence to support this claim. The reality is that Area 51 is a classified military facility that has been used for testing and developing new aircraft and weapons. Its location in this desert makes it an ideal site for conducting tests that require a large and isolated area. The UFO sightings that have been associated with Area 51 can be explained by classified experimental aircrafts and other military technology being tested in this area. Some of the most iconic aircrafts in the history, such as U-2 spy plane and the F-117 Nighthawk stealth fighter, were developed and tested at Area 51. Misconception number 4. The government denies the existence of Area 51. While the government was secretive about Area 51 in the past, it has since acknowledged its existence. The facility has been in operation since 1950s and has been a subject of public speculation since 1980s. In 2013, the CIA declassified documents that confirmed the existence of Area 51 and provided some details about its history and purpose. However, there are still certain aspects of Area 51 that remain classified, such as specific details about technology being tested and the nature of work being done there. This secrecy has fueled further speculation and conspiracy theories. Misconception number 3. The government is hiding alien bodies in Area 51. Another perception about Area 51 is that the US government is hiding alien bodies there. This belief is often linked to the idea that government is conducting extraterrestrial research at the facility. However, there is no credible evidence to support this claim. In fact, the US government has repeatedly denied the existence of extraterrestrial life and has stated that it has no evidence to support the claims of UFO sightings or alien encounters. Additionally, the US Air Force has stated that it does not conduct any activities related to extraterrestrial life at Area 51. Misconception number 2. It's a dangerous and deadly place. Another common misconception about Area 51 is that it's a dangerous and deadly place, where toxic chemicals and radiation pose a threat to the surrounding environment and population. However, there is no evidence to support this claim. While it's true that military has conducted tests and experiments at Area 51 that involve potentially hazardous material, well, they are subject to strict safety protocols and regulations. The surrounding area is also closely monitored for any sign of contamination or danger. Misconception number 1. It's a place where the government conducts illegal and unethical experiments. There have been claims that the government has conducted illegal and unethical experiments at Area 51, such as testing biological and chemical weapons on human subjects. However, there is no credible evidence to support these claims. The reality is that the military conducts experiments and tests at Area 51 that are subject to strict ethical and legal guidelines. The secrecy around these experiments is due to their sensitive and classified nature rather than nefarious and unethical motives. In conclusion, Area 51 is a real and highly classified US Air Force facility. Many of the common misconceptions about it are simply not true. The facility's purpose is to develop and test advanced military technology, not to conduct research on extraterrestrial life. While there's still much we do not know about the facility, it is important to separate facts from fiction when it comes to Area 51. Comment down below any other interesting rumor you have heard about the Area 51. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.